If you have a Wise account and you've opted in for a digital card, I'm going to show you how you can actually use that digital card in a store. So follow these steps. So from the app on your mobile device, we're going to go ahead and make sure that we're clicking on card at the bottom of your screen right next to home. Over here, you can see that this is what you have available to spend, and you will see it says add to Apple Wallet. Now, this is if you are using an iPhone. If you are using an Android operating system, it will say add to Google Pay. We're going to go ahead and click on that. You'll now just have to agree to the terms and conditions. You can now see that this card has been added, and you have the option to set it as your default card if you have multiple cards within your Wise account. And now we're ready to spend. Yay. You can go ahead and tap on your card, and this is the page you will see. You can now go ahead and click on the pay with passcode, and you'll be able to make purchases in store with this digital Wise account card. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, drop us a like, share it with a friend, and we will see you next time. Happy spending. Peace out.